Alright, boys and girls, and welcome to Gordon Guitar. We have VIN here featuring MASETTI. It's a cool song here called See the Lights. Alright, so very cool song. It's about two chords mainly. We're going to look at the melody and the strumming and how to build in perhaps certain notes here from the melody into the strumming. So different ways of handling the song here with very few keys here and instruments like two chords. So let's take a look at this one, and we have a capo very high up here set on the 8th fret. Why? Because the high notes, we want to reach them and also combine them with very easy chords. The easiest scenario possible here is with the capo set on the 8th fret. All right, so let's take a look at the two chords here. We'll start with the A minor. So that is open A, second D, second G, first B, and open E. Okay, so that's the A minor. And then we have F. I'm going to show you two different variations of F. One that is a bar chord, and the second one that is suited more for building some certain notes into the strumming later on. So the bar version first, that is what I suggest if you just play the plain strumming pattern without thinking about any notes incorporated here. So that is a bar set on the 1st fret over all strings, and then you need to add 3rd on A, 3rd on D, and 2nd on G. All right, so that's the bar F. Then we have this shorter version of it. It's mainly F major 7 or so, because we want to have it open down there. So that is 3rd on D, 2nd on G, 1st on B, and then open E. With that, we have possibilities to work a little bit more with our fingers to build in the notes. So that's the reason of this version of this F. All right, so first let's dive into the melody here. We're going to take it chord by chord. So starting with A minor, I suggest you hold the chord as it is. So it starts like this. Okay, so that is open A, 2nd D, 1st B, and 2nd G. All right, and then it continues with the second half like this. Sorry. Yeah. So that is open B, 2nd D, 3rd B, and 2nd G. So open A, 2nd D, 1st B, 2nd G, open B, 2nd D, 3rd B, and 2nd G. That's the full pattern, like this. Okay, you're gonna play that for 2 rounds. Much easier to play it with tempo like that. I always screw it up when I take it down in tempo and try to educate you guys. But anyway, that's the melody. And then we have the next chord here, the F, okay? So what you do here from this A minor, what I suggest that you do is that you keep these 2 fingers here glued throughout the whole melody on the 2nd D and 2nd G. And you just place the bar on the 1st fret there. So that is the best snare to start into the F part here. You're gonna start like this to begin with. So that is 1st on E, then 2nd D, 1st B, and 2nd G. And then you're gonna play this part. So that is 3rd on B, 2nd D, then 1st B. And if you do that with the bar finger or you go down there, it's up to you. I do it with my bar. So I keep the bar there, play it on the 1st B, and then open B. That's the first round of F. The second round is played exactly the same, just a different end note. So you're gonna play the second round again. 1st E, 2nd D, 1st B, 2nd G, third B, second D, first B, and then the end note here in the second round of F is the open E. So instead of having the open B string as the end note, you have the open E on the second round. So first round goes with that note, and then second round with the open E string. All right, so there you have the full melody. I'm gonna take you through this, and one round goes. Alright, so that's the main part here. You could play like this from the beginning till the very end. Now we want to incorporate some strummings too. A little bit flexible playing here. So we're gonna go with first just straight strumming, and one string around, if you go to the A minor, will be down, down, clap, down. That is one round. So down, down, clap, down. Alright. You're gonna play 4 string rounds per chord, and now this is where I suggest that you use this version of F. The full spectra of the F here. You don't have to, you can actually use the F major also, it's up to you, but I suggest you go with this version. So A minor 4 and F4 back and forth like this. You can use that as well throughout the song. So Alright, now the final part here where we incorporate the notes we just learned with a strumming pattern, and now is where I suggest you use this version of F. Alright, so you can emphasize certain notes here, like I said. So I'm gonna take you through which notes you wanna highlight here. So we're gonna play the down, down, clap, down for 2 rounds. That 2 rounds will cover the notes you need, and then you just repeat that for a second time as well. That will be 4 rounds in total. So we'll come to that part, but first you're gonna play like this, whole A minor, and down, down, clap, and then on the down there that comes after clap, you wanna emphasize the first fret B string from the melody. So this one, all right? So make sure you have a short downstroke on that certain area down there, the G, B string, and try to avoid the last E string here, because that's a rule. When you want to emphasize a certain note, try to stop at that note when you do the strumming, all right? Don't go below, because that will be the final thing you hear there. So try to stop at the B string, like that, so. All right? So that's the first down, down, clap, down. Then when you continue with the down, down, clap, now you lift off to highlight the open B string. The down, down, clap, and then you add the 3rd fret B string on the final down. That is 2 rounds of the down, down, clap, down. So again, to repeat, down, down, clap, down. On that first down, you hit the 1st fret B string. Then you continue with the open B string on the down, down. Then comes the clap, and the final down comes the 3rd fret B string. So slowly, like this. And repeat that for 2 rounds, so. Right? That's the A minor part. Then we go to the F part. We're gonna continue the same pattern here, just different notes to emphasize. So down, down, clap, down. On that down, you're gonna go and emphasize the 1st fret B string. So then you continue with down, down. Here you're gonna add the 3rd fret B string. So this will be the new grip. So down, down, clap, and then on the final down, emphasize the open B string. That's the first round of F. So the first round is emphasize on the down, down clap. Down, first fret B string, and then you continue with down, down on the third fret B string, and the final down you go on the open B string. The second time you play this will be the same notes emphasized till the very end there. On the final down there, you emphasize the open E string instead of the B string. So, slowly, the first round goes. And the second round. Second round there. So, that is how I emphasize different notes here with the strumming pattern, and one full round out of this could sound something like this. A couple rounds there just because it's that fun to play this. VIN J's See the Light. So nice song. Keep it up, guys. I love your support, and I love to see that you really learned and get something out of this tutorials here. So that gives me motivation. Thumb up this tutorial if you enjoyed it, and subscribe and all that good stuff. Until next time, play tuned.